What, is that a
Doing
crow?
bird.
Wait, is that a crow?
Yeah, maybe.
It kind of looks like
Looks
a crow.
like a...
Kind of looks like a...
Oh.
Okay, anyway, I think that's it. Wait, I don't know.
Don't catch them.
I don't know.
Silly bird. Trying to get in the car. Sure is fearless, isn't he?
Yeah.
He don't care.
Oh, which is crow. Happy Halloween.
You gonna go away?
Like, what
Don't
are you doing?
think about coming up on me.
Happy Halloween.
The second bird we had flying around us.
Okay.
No.
There.
Oh, is that why Kiki can get the birds? Because they don't move at all? Oh, there she is.
Bird. Run!
Here she comes.
Go, Kiki!
Here she comes.
Yes, we know she's around there. Don't be there, you're gonna break it.
Well, you don't want the Kiki to get her, do you?
Yeah, you just...
Don't let Kiki get her.
Don't kick her! Don't kick him! Don't kick him!
We went back to the car. Kiki's like, dang it. Dang it. Go put Kiki inside. Yeah, there it is.